Welcome children to Geography with Juliana. After uploading 10 videos for Chapter 3 Physiography and Drainage, today I'm going to discuss question number 1, that's objective, a multiple choice question. Question 5, identify the correct group, and question 6, which is an activity. Okay, so let's get started. The first question, a multiple choice question. You need to have your textbooks, page 23, and if possible, give the answers before I can give you the answer, right? The first question is, Brazil is covered mainly by, is it covered by highlands, plains, mountainous region, or dissected hills? Yes, and the answer is right, it's highlands. The next question is, like Brazil, India too has, that means both should have, high mountains. Does Brazil have high mountains? Ancient plateaus. Do both have ancient plateaus? West flowing rivers. Do both have west flowing rivers? Snow-capped mountains. Do both have snow-capped mountains? So what's the answer? Yes, it's ancient plateaus, because Brazil does not have high mountains. They hardly have west flowing rivers, and since there are no high mountains, there is no question of snow-capped mountains. The third one is, the Amazon basin is mainly characterized by droughts. Now, droughts in the equatorial forest is in the equatorial region is doubtful. Filled by swamps, let's check it out. Covered by dense forest, seems right. And fertile, no. Okay, because no agriculture is carried on over there. So the right answer is covered by dense forest, equatorial rainforest. Amazon is a large river in the world. Near its mouth, do we have deltas? You know the reason why. No deltas are formed. Deposition of sediments occur. Fishing is done. So we know there is no deposition and therefore no deltas. Okay, and fishing, no question. The answer is no deltas are found. The next question is, the Lakshadweep Island of Arabian Sea are made from the parts separated from the mainland? Not really, it's far deep into the ocean. Coral Islands, let's check. Volcanic, not really, because Andaman and Nicobar are volcanic islands. Continental islands, no way, it's not next to continent at all. So the right answer is Coral Islands. To the foothills of Aravallis. For this you need to open to page 14, refer map 3.1. Which plateau do you find there? Do you find Bundelkhand? Do you find Mewar? Do you find Malwa? Or do you find Deccan? I'm sure you got the answer. It is Mewar Plateau. The next question 5, identify the correct group. You have been given 3 or 4 groups here. You need to find out which is the right group. Okay, the order of physiographic units of Brazil while going from northwest to southeast. For this you need to refer, open page 15, page map 3.2. Do you find Parana River Basin in the northwest? Here itself we know it's wrong. Okay, so there is no need of looking at it again. Guiana Highlands, yes, we find them in northwest. Do you find Amazon River over there? Yes, below that. Do we have Brazilian Highlands below that? Yes. Okay, so this seems to be right. Let's check the next one. Coastal plains. Oh, no coastal plains in the northwest. Okay, so the right answer is Guiana Highlands, Amazon River, Brazilian Highlands. These rivers of Brazil are north-flowing rivers. I had explained to you this little activity. Okay, if you remember, we had taken this map and we had looked out for the rivers. You need page 20, because how much ever I may try to give you a bigger map here, blow it up, but it's still very tiny. Okay, so among the south flowing rivers, okay, which are actually the left bank rivers of Brazil, okay, you find Paru. Okay, you'll have to look at your map. It's a little very tiny here, so I will not be able to give you the entire one. Okay, but I can see here Negro. Okay, I think Paru must be here somewhere. Okay, then you have Jurua here. So these are all south flowing rivers. We were asked for north flowing rivers. Let us look out for some of the north flowing rivers. Okay, we have here, I think we have Jurua R. Okay, then you have Purus, then you have Madhira. Okay, north flowing I'm talking about. You have Juruaka. Okay, somewhere here, Juruaka. Then you have Zingu here. Okay, and by the side of Zingu, you also have Araguay. So these are some of the north flowing rivers. So let us look at the options that are given to us. Okay, Juruaka. Yes, we found Juruaka. It's actually Juruaka. Zingu we found as north flowing, and Araguay also we found as north flowing. Negro was a south flowing river. Japura was again a south flowing river. So the right answer is the first one. Okay, the next question is the order of plateaus of India from south to north. So that is as we are going from Kerala towards Himalayas. Okay, from south to north. Do we have Karnataka, followed by Maharashtra, followed by Bundelkhand? Seems to be right. Let us look out for next. And Chota Nagpur, no, that is in the northeast. Telangana, though it is in the south. Maharashtra and Marwar, but Telangana is more on the eastern side. So we take Karnataka, followed by Maharashtra on the top, followed by Bundelkhand above it. The next, so this was the map. Okay, sorry, with Karnataka, Maharashtra, and above that is Bundelkhand. Look at the digital elevated model of India and then of Brazil and name the physiographic division. All they want to do is name the physiographic division. We know India has 5 physiographic division. This is elevated model. Okay, and what you find here are the northern Himalayas, the northern plain, the peninsular plateau, the coastal, that is eastern and western coastal region, and the islands, okay, which are not shown here. These are 5 divisions of India. Similarly for Brazil, okay, Brazil has the following 5 divisions again. It has the highlands, okay, then it has the northern plains of Amazon plains, then we have the coastal regions. Okay, we also have the great escarpments, okay, and the island groups, right? Then coming back to the next activity that is given, okay, on page number 22, I think, 24. Okay, what you need to do there is observe figure 3.1 and 3.2 from your textbooks and fill in the following table with the physiographic divisions found in the states of India and Brazil. So basically they want you to write all the 5 physiographic divisions, okay, like this in a table. The Himalayas, just a minute, the Himalayas, the North Indian plain, Peninsula Plateau, the coastal plains, that is western coastal and eastern coastal plain. You can refer to this later on. Okay, let us see where these regions lie. Okay, talking about the, just a minute. Okay, this has to go. Sorry, I think we are gone back here. Okay, so this is our activity, and here we, 1 minute. Okay, the first one is North Indian. So the Himalayas lie in the state of Jammu Kashmir, in Uttarakhand, okay, in Himachal Pradesh, then Uttarakhand there, then you have Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Meghalaya. You can refer to the table later, but I would prefer if you can go through each physiographic division and the states in which they lie. Talking about the second one, the North Indian plains. The plains lie in Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, then Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. Okay, the third division, that is the the Peninsular Plateau. So the plateau region lies mainly in Maharashtra, in Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, then coming to the next division, and that is the coastal plains. The coastal plains lie in the eastern states of Orissa, then we have Andhra Pradesh, and we have Tamil Nadu. And this way the western coastal plains lie in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Okay, and the islands of course lie in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, that is Union Territories, and in the Union Territories of Lakshadweep we have the Lakshadweep Islands. Talking about the physiographic divisions of Brazil and the states where they lie. For that I would like you to open to page 50 where you get a political map of Brazil. Okay, because that's really necessary for you to understand. The first physiographic, okay, I'll just give you the physiographic division first. We have the highlands, which includes Guiana and Brazilian, the great escarpments, the coastal region, that is the north coast and east coast, and the plains, Amazon plains, Pantanal wetlands, and the island groups. Okay, so we need this map once again now to check out for the highlands. The highlands of Guiana, for map work, you'll have to show it here. Okay, they lie in the three states of Roraima, Para, and Amapá. Then the Brazilian highlands stretches in these states here mainly. Okay, just a minute. So Brazilian highlands are mainly stretching here. So what are those states? You have Mato Grosso, okay, Mato Grosso do Sul. Then you have Sao Paulo. You have Minas Gerais, okay. Then you have Bahia. You have Tocantins. Okay, these are some of the states here. Mato Grosso, then Mato Grosso do Sul. Then you have Sao Paulo. Then you have Minas Gerais. Then you have here Goiás. Okay, then you have Bahia over here. Okay, and little part of Tocantins. Then the next physical division, and that is the, here we have 1 minute. Okay, we'll take the plains first, the northern plains. Northern plains, that is the Amazon plains, lie here. So in the states of Amazonas, Para, and Maranhão. Okay, so these are the three states, Amazonas, Para, and Maranhão. Now the pronunciations here are quite different. I have tried to come a little closer to the pronunciations. Those interested in good pronunciation and languages, okay, these are mainly Portuguese names. So though I would advise you to check out with pronouncenames.com, okay, for the exact pronunciation. Then talking about the plains, we also have the Pantanal wetlands here mainly. Okay, so for map work, you need to show it here. We have Mato Grosso and Mato Grosso do Sul. So these two regions here, Mato Grosso and Mato Grosso do Sul. Okay, then talking about the northern coast, we have coastal region, northern and eastern. So northern coast is only the coastal regions here. For this, you'll have to look at your map on page 50. Okay, these are the provinces of Amapá. Then you have Para. Okay, you have Maranhão. Then you have Piauí. Okay, this one is Piauí here. Then you have Ceará. Okay, and you have here Grande do Norte. Last one. Talking about the eastern coastal regions, okay, it stretches from, now here Grande do Norte, that was the end of the northern coast. From there we have Alagoas. Okay, we have Bahia. Then we have Espírito Santo. Then you have Minas Gerais. Then you have here Rio de Janeiro. Okay, then you have Sao Paulo over here. Then you have Santa Catarina. You have little part of Paraná as well. Then you have Santa Catarina, and ultimately you have Rio Grande do Sul. Okay, so these are some of the places where you find these regions, and the islands, of course, the coastal islands in the north as well as in the south. So with this, here are the answers if you would like to take screenshots, okay, and then maybe copy it in your own words. So this is the physical divisions of Brazil, and this one is the physical division of India. I was trying to enlarge it, yes. So here you can get the physical divisions of India, okay, and the states where they lie. If you need some of the pictures, you can always take a screenshot. And this one again you will need the highland, that is the physical divisions of Brazil and states of India. So with this we complete the objectives and activities of this chapter. In the next video I will be giving you all the question answers of chapter 3, and then we will start with chapter 4. Okay, keep looking out because we will be completing the entire syllabus of geography. Till then, thank you and God bless you.